HART's 20-volt cordless stick vac is a game changer for anyone trying to keep up with the chaos of everyday life.
Mom, I'm home.
Hey. Because from soccer practice to mealtime madness, our house always gets the short end of the stick. Yep, the blame is shared. But relax. It has a brushless motor, which means double the power. And from under-the-bed mysteries to just out-of-reach cobwebs to couch crumbs, this vacuum can reach every corner.
And just so you don't miss it, this brush has a second tool underneath that's perfect for pet hair.
Now, did I mention it's cordless? The 45-minute runtime means I can tackle my whole house on just one charge. Dang, I knew my house was dirty, but I didn't think it was that bad. When you're done, you can breathe easy, knowing that the filter traps 99% of all dust and allergens. The included battery can power over 100 HART 20-volt products, all of which are only sold at Walmart. Go check them out.